Hello guys, my name is Daniel from Dan Racing and welcome to a new video. Today I'll bring you a car instead of an actual bike because as much as I love two-strokes and motorcycles, I also love my cars. And in case you didn't know, this is my 2002 BMW 520D Touring. It's E39 generation. I guess we just gotta go right into it. I gotta jack the car up. We're gonna do an oil change, a mirror change, although I'm not sure how I can actually do that. Oil change, mirror change, just a filter change. Most of the filters, oil filter, diesel filter, AC filter, all those filters, you know. But yeah, let's just jack up the car and get right to it.